Experiencing buffering, lag, or poor picture quality with the Spectrum TV app? These problems usually stem from three key areas: buffering, lag, and quality settings. Buffering happens when your internet speed isn't fast enough to keep up with the video. Spectrum recommends at least 25 megabyte per second for HD streaming. Lag refers to delays between your actions, like changing channels, and the app's response, often due to network congestion or device limitations. Finally, quality settings determine the resolution and detail of the video. Using higher resolutions than your device or internet can handle will result in a poor experience. Spectrum has released updates to address these issues using AI-driven diagnostics and adaptive bitrate streaming, reducing some user complaints, but problems still occur. Let's explore some solutions. First, try the basics. Restart the Spectrum TV app and your streaming device. Check your internet speed using Spectrum's speed test tool or another online service to ensure you meet the recommended minimum. Clearing the app's cache can also resolve temporary glitches. For buffering, try lowering the video quality in the app's settings. If lag is an issue, consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Advanced users can explore port forwarding or VPNs to bypass ISP throttling. Spectrum's recent updates include AI-assisted streaming that automatically adjusts quality based on network conditions. Look out for troubleshooting prompts within the app itself. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support for further assistance. As of September 2025, AI assists in predicting and preempting buffering by analyzing user patterns and network conditions.